Dear students, acids, bases and salts part 1. First, let us know about acids. Lemon contains citric acid which is sour in taste. Likewise, all acids are sour in taste. Acids turn blue litmus red. Let us see some examples for acids. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Orange and lemon contains citric acid. Formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Nitric acid HNO3. Let us study the properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases turn red litmus blue. Some examples for bases are: soap solution contains sodium hydroxide. Formula is NaOH. Sometimes it contains potassium hydroxide. Formula is KOH. Lime water contains calcium hydroxide. Formula is CaOH twice. Milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide. Formula is MgOH twice. Ammonium hydroxide. Formula is NH4OH. Indicators. Indicators tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic. Mainly, there are three types of indicators. Natural indicators, example litmus. Natural indicators are prepared from natural substances. Litmus is prepared from lichens. Example for another natural indicator is turmeric. Perform an activity by using turmeric. On this paper, already we have rubbed one part with soap and another part with acid. On this, let us rub with turmeric. The side on which soap, that is base, is rubbed changes its color. This shows that by using turmeric we can identify bases. To identify basic media, we can use turmeric as indicator. Synthetic indicators. These are prepared by using synthetic substances. Example, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Olfactory indicators. These changes their smell in acidic or basic media. Examples are onion, clove and vanilla. Now let us observe some indicators changing their color in acidic and basic media. Red litmus. It doesn't changes in acidic media but changes to blue color in basic media. Blue litmus changes red in acid and no color change in base. Phenolphthalein, no color change in acid, changes to pink in base. Methyl orange, red in acid, yellow in base. Answer the following questions. Write differences between acid and base. Name 4 acids and bases. What are indicators? Name 2 synthetic indicators.